And next here tonight, this past year we've been seeing an epidemic of drug tragedy in America, leaving ordinary families and families of the famous asking what can be done. So tonight we take a closer look at a growing question. What would happen if dealers were charged with murder if there's a death from their drugs? Here's ABC's Ryan Smith.
After the death of Philip Seymour Hoffman, police, acting on a tip, arrested this man. He's been charged with heroin possession, but not in connection with Hoffman's death. He's pled not guilty. In fact, we may never know who supplied the drugs that killed the Oscar-winning actor. Police say they're not investigating anymore because no crime was committed. But with heroin use and overdoses skyrocketing in so many parts of the country, many are trying to find ways to hold those who provide drugs accountable. One law on the books in 17 states, the Hugh O'Connor law, named for the son of the late Carol O'Connor, Archie Bunker in the show All in the Family, who lost his son to suicide related to drug use, told Diane Sawyer he demanded accountability from the man he said supplied him with the drugs.
You sleazeball, you. We're going to get you.
O'Connor lobbied the California legislature to pass the Drug Dealer Civil Liability Act, allowing family members of people injured by a drug dealer's acts to sue for reimbursement for medical and rehabilitation costs.
You know, I have actually heard people say, you can't blame the dealer for what we choose to do to ourselves. They may be an accessory in some way, but you can't blame them.
He's a partner in murder, not an accessory. A partner in murder.
And some prosecutors are now calling it a crime, like John Molinelli of Bergen County, New Jersey.
And it's not just dealer, it's supplier. It could also be a manufacturer. Everyone up the chain could be charged with first-degree drug-induced death here in New Jersey.
He's using a statute called the Strict Liability for Drug-Induced Death that could land dealers in jail for 30 years. Prosecutors around the country trying to find creative ways to show drug dealers they mean business. Ryan Smith, ABC News, New York.